everybody? Welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate that. Anyways, I totally forgot to make a video, and it's 8 o'clock, so I apologize. Anyways, got to work early this morning for our shutdown, and then when we got there, it got canceled because someone had a heart transplant or something. Really selfish of them, I know. So anyways, walked around with Steven and went over stuff I was going to work on today. And then I actually ended up helping someone pull wire all day, so that kind of just got thrown out the window. So I helped one of the other foremen, I believe, pull wire all day off of some pre-made spools from the prefab shop at our company. So they had like all the wire and stuff already cut, labeled, basically just tied the wire onto our string, and then pulled that all day. And then I was working on making up the panel. I got all the grounds landed and all the neutrals and hots set up to be terminated tomorrow, so I just saved all those off, stuck them back in the panel, and then closed it up at the end of the day. But that's a really short summary of what happened, but it was a lot more complicated than that. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this short little video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. God bless. Peace.